What's up YouTube? In today's video we are making lasagna. First of all we're going to make the meatballs, so whisk yourself some eggs, whiskey. To that we're going to add 150 grams of pork, 150 grams of beef, parmesan, breadcrumbs, some chopped up parsley. Form a meatball, combine all those ingredients together. You want to roll them up into little balls, try and make it as even as you can, like so. You want to just shallow fry those till they're nice and brown. Put them on a piece of kitchen roll to get rid of the excess oil. In the meantime, boil some eggs, get them hard boiled 10 minutes, passata in a pan. Chop up some mortadella, we've got some prosciutto as well, 150 grams of each. Chop up your eggs once you've plunged them in cold water. Passata in the bottom of a pan, get some pasta sheets on top like so. Layer with some more sauce, parmesan, and then meatballs, mortadella, egg, prosciutto, mozzarella cheese, get that scattered in there, build the next layer. Sauce on, next layer mortadella cheese, meatballs and mozzarella, egg, in you go. Then you want to get your final layer on, like so, sauce, parmesan, and then you want to bake it in the oven for around 40 minutes, 180 till so. Hope you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, see you in the next one.